Hey guys, welcome back to Easy Internet, and in today's video we are going to look on how to create a Blue Sky account. First, tap on Create Account. Type in your email address here. Set your password. Set your birth date. Tap on Next. Type in any username you want and tap on Next. Now you will have to complete the verification test. Once you complete it, tap on Continue. Choose any of your interests and then tap on Continue. And now tap on Let's Go. You have successfully created your Blue Sky account. I hope this video has helped you. Do like, share and subscribe to Easy Internet for more such videos. Thanks for watching.